Welcome back to my channel. If you've ever wondered how to season chicken perfectly or how to cook chicken to be flavorful and juicy, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you everything you need to know from washing chicken to seasoning it and cooking chicken perfectly every single time. Let's get started. I'll fill my kitchen sink up with water and I'll put the chicken legs in there. Next, it's time to clean. I'll use my knife to scrape off the chicken skin, and this part I always cut it off because it always contains too many chicken fat and too many feathers. This is what I removed. There's no point cooking this. I'll scrape the skin off a little bit more, and then I'll proceed to the point where you would always find dead skin. Whether you're cooking drumsticks or chicken legs, you would always find dead skin here, and it's essential to remove it, just as you can see me do in the video. Now I'll also remove the chicken feather in that area as well. I'll scrape it off a little bit more and wait to see what I just removed again from the chicken skin. Take a look at it. There's no point cooking all of this in our foods, so always make sure you clean your chicken properly. After the first set of cleaning, it's time for the second time, and for this second cleaning I'll be rubbing lime slices all over the chicken. This part is optional, but I like to do it and I suggest you try it as well. Once I'm done with this, I'll proceed to clean my kitchen sink properly with dishwashing liquid and sponge. I'll also dispose the lime slices because they are no longer useful. I'll fill the bowl with the chicken with some water and I'll just allow it to sit in the water till I'm ready to cook it. Now let's talk about how to season chicken. I'll start with pouring water into my pot, then the basics. Sliced onions. Here I sliced 1.5 onions. I'll sprinkle my stock cube inside that pot as well, and I'll go in with 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons dry thyme, 2 tablespoons curry powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon ginger, 3 garlic. I like to cut this in. You can use more garlic or less garlic. It depends on your choice. But I find out that this combination creates a balanced flavor and it works well whether you're using it for thighs, drumsticks, or wings. I'll give it a good mix and then I'll cover the pot and allow everything to boil. If you've watched this video to this point, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. After about 7 minutes and the water is already boiling, I mean the water with the seasoning and all of it, it's time to go in with the chicken. I'll arrange my cleaned chicken nicely in this pot of flavor. I like to call it pot of flavor because this is what gives the chicken a lovely, juicy, and delicious taste. If you cook your chicken this way, there is no doubt in the fact that you will get flavorful tasty chicken. Okay, so try this and let me know in the comment section how well it turned out, because I am so sure it will surely turn out well. After arranging the chicken in the pot, I'll mix it a little bit just to make sure that everything sits well in that pot, because I want everything to, get in touch with the flavor and cook nicely and properly. Now I'll cover the pot and cook it for 15 minutes on medium heat. After 15 minutes, it's boiling well and it's time to check on the chicken. So when checking on the chicken, you always have to look for the redness. And after 15 minutes, I can tell you for a fact that this chicken is not properly cooked yet. And I will show you one of the evidences. that this chicken is not properly cooked yet. So keep watching. Take a look. Do you see that redness? Yes, the chicken is not cooked well. So I'll mix it again and cover the pot and allow it to cook for extra 15 minutes on medium heat again. Whenever you're cooking chicken and you see redness, that's to tell you that the chicken is still raw and it's not properly cooked yet. And here I have my chicken after 15 extra minutes of cooking. It's looking nice, it's looking yummy. And this liquid is what we call chicken stock. It's so nice for jollof rice. Follow me for more recipes because I just showed you how to cook chicken.